Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about the difference between a target camera and a free camera. So when you create a camera, you're going to see that it has two parts. So we go over to here, create camera, physical camera, and we click and drag. You'll see that we've got the camera itself and then we've got the target. And both of these act separately to one another. So I can move this one separately to this. So this is really good if we want to focus on a specific area in a project. So let's move this into our room. Go to the camera view, pull it up a little bit, and let's show the camera view. Top view here. So I'm just going to select the camera, and it's currently targeting the bed. So now if I move the camera, the bed is always going to stay in focus. And the same goes for the target. We can move the target and we can kind of pan around. So this could come in handy for animations. Or just finding what you want to focus on and bringing the camera around that area. And now the other option we have is to turn off targeted. So this used to be known as a free camera, and we can see what happens here when we move the camera. The whole camera moves and the field of view stays the same. So I normally use this type of camera when animating along a spline, and we can take a look at that next.